Hai, Assalamualaikum. So here is our team member of new project in Parit Raja Batu Pahat Johor, which is Nur Izzati Nabila, Nur Hazurin Ivy, Fatin Nabila, Nur Shazwani Atira, and Nurul Izzati Fatihah. Hai, Assalamualaikum. So here is our team member of new project in Parit Raja Batu Pahat Johor, which is Nur Izzati Nabila, Nur Hazurin Ivy, Fatin Nabila, Nur Shazwani Atira, and Nurul Izzati Fatihah. Organisation chart of Jangka Berhad of new project in Parit Raja Batu Pahat Johor, which is Nur Izzati Nabila as senior engineer, Nur Hazurin Ivy as project manager, me as Fatin Nabila as design engineer, Nur Shazwani Atira as senior manager project planning, and lastly Nurul Izzati Fatihah as senior quantity surveyor. So here is our team member.
For the next part, me, Nurul Izzati Fatihah binti Zulkifli at F200195, we present about project cost estimation. So for project cost estimation, we need to calculate the flow area method and building volume method. So the first one is flow area method. We use area L times width, length times width, and we got the area for first one is 101.36. The area for the second area is 8.57 meter square. The area for the third one is 18.21 meter square. So for the total area, we sum up all the three areas and we got the total is 128.94 meter square. And for the cost, we use this calculation, area times cost per square meter, cost per meter square, and we got the answer is 281,908 ringgit. So next, for the building volume method, we need to consider all these values so that we can continue to calculate the overall cost. So for the calculation of value method, we use length times width times height, and for volume 1 we got the answer, which is 1087.13 meter cube. And next, for volume method, for volume 2 we got is 91.87 meter cube. And the third one for volume 3 we got is 195.33 meter cube. And lastly, we calculate all the total volume and calculate the cost, and we got the answer 1374330 ringgit.
We go to the calculating of taking off. The taking off will calculate in 6 elements, which is excavation work below lowest floor excavation, second blinding and concrete, formwork, steel reinforcement, hardcore and DPM, and lastly is roofing. Okay, we go to the excavation. Okay, from the excavation we can see the excavation of trench excavating in roof is 0.22 meter cube. So this item allow the keeping the surface of the site and excavation free for surf. For formwork to foundation and back foundation is 14.40 meter. Okay, formwork to ground beam exceeding 250 mm and not exceeding 500 mm height is 138.08 meter. Okay, in blinding and concrete grade 7 blinding not exceeding 100 mm thickness laid on earth and remove excavated and filling to excavation is 0.162 meter cube. For the reinforcement in situ concrete grade 20 is 3.884 meter cube. Okay, from the steel reinforcement we can get the 12mm diameter reinforcement in stirrup in foundation is 156.52 meter. Okay, from the hardcore MDPM is the filling to make up a level average 150 mm thickness, and the quality not less than 1000, which is 173.57 meter cube. Okay, and the last from the taking off is roofing finishes. Okay, so the concrete roof tiles is 507 plus 268, and the total of the concrete tiles is 775 nose. Okay.
Next, I will present regarding the bill of quantity for our project. But before that, my name is Nur Izzati Nabila binti Roslan, number matric DF210047. And for the BQ, the work that we have done is excavation, concrete, reinforcement, formwork, hardcore, and also the masonry works. And the total cost for our project as for these works is 24,443 ringgit and 89 cents. These are the JKR standards price for construction works that we have used to list out the price that related with our work. However, for the masonry works, we use the quantity and rates given by the quantity surveyor that we have interviewed. Next, I would like to pass this presentation to my friend. Thank you.
So next is build-up rate 1 meter cube of soil excavation. So rate of skilled labor is 100 per day. Rate of general labor is 18 ringgit per day. So they work 8 hours per day. Rate of topsoil excavation for 100 meter deep is 103 per meter cube. Rate of reduced level maximum depth for 4000 mm is 27 ringgit point 83 cents of meter cube. Rate of spreading up soil in making up level, which is surface to receive pad footing, is 14 ringgit 2 cents per meter cube. Rate of trench to reduce ground beam for level 440 mm is 10 ringgit point 13 cents per meter cube. So rate of profit is 30%. So the cost of topsoil excavating unit for 100 mm deep, the cost is RM 208 ringgit point 68 cents. Cost of reduced level is 845.75. So next is cost of spreading up soil in making up level. The cost is 23.83, and the other cost is 7 ringgit point 65 cents. Next is cost of trench to reduce ground beam. The cost is 15 ringgit point 59 cents and 10 ringgit point 45 cents. And the total is 1111.65 cents. Next is worker salary. Worker salary is at 2 ringgit per day. Total excavation plus worker salary is 1191.95 cents. Next is profit. 30% of worker salary and total excavation is 1191.95 cents is 357.55 cents. Therefore, 1 meter cube of excavation is 1,549 ringgit point 54 cents.
Well, now I will continue to explain about our project, but before that I would like to introduce myself. I am Nur Hazuri Aini Nabila binti Muhammad Zuhairi, matric number DF210035. As we see in this slide, I will explain about the build-up rate for 1 meter cube of concrete using a concrete mixer. There is some work that needs to be taken into account for this calculation. The first is the price of goods, involving the price of cement, sand and aggregate according to the grade ratio that has been selected. For our group, we use concrete grade 20 with a ratio of 1, 1.5 and 3. The total price for each material has been shown, and the result for the 3 materials is 406 ringgit. The amount is then added with a wastage value of 40% and produce a total cost of 568 ringgit and 40 cents, and then divide it into 4 to get the amount for 1 meter cube of concrete. Next is the calculation of labor cost and machine cost. In this project, a total of 3 laborers are required to operate the machine used to complete the project and are only used for 3 hours per working day, and the wage rate for one worker is as much as 100 per day for 8 hours of work. To get the value for 1 meter cube only, the 100 ringgit will be divided into 8 hours and multiplied by the next 3 hours to get a total of 37 ringgit and 50 cents. For the machine cost, the rental rate for the machine is as much as 95 ringgit per day. The amount for 1 meter cube is found by adding the machine rental rate for 1 hour plus the employee salary rate, and the result is 8 ringgit and 23 cents only used for this machine cost. Total price rate for the 3 costs is added to get the total cost rate for concrete mix in 1 meter cube, and then added with a profit of 30% and result in a total of 244 ringgit and 18 cents as this total cost. The last part of my part is the performance bond. This performance bond is obtained by using the formula of 5% multiplied by the contract sum, which is the total price found in the BQ, which is bill of quantity of the project, and for this project, the amount of the performance bond is as much as 1,222 ringgit and 19 cents. And that's all from me. I will pass to the next person.
The amount of liquidated ascertained damage per day has been calculated by multiply the contract sum with the base lending rate of RHB Bank Berhad, which is 6.7%, and divided it by 365 days, which is 1 year, and result in the 4 ringgit and 49 cents. That's all from our group. Thank you.